Don't ever give up on God and never stop praying. Several years ago, when my grandsons were little, my daughter told the story that when they were in the car and there was an ambulance or a fire truck going by, she would always tell the boys, "Let's pray." What wonderful advice. The Bible tells us pray without ceasing. That doesn't mean we need to stop and kneel or fold our hands or close our eyes, but we can pray whenever and wherever. My pastor said in his sermon yesterday, prayer is the first and the best thing we can do, which is very different. We hear people say, all I can do is pray. No, it's the first and the best thing you could do. We had an example of that on the American football scene this last week when one of our players was injured. And immediately some people fell to their knees on the field and prayed. And a sportscaster on national television prayed for the healing of this player. And that seems to be working. What a joyous thing it is. I have always felt sad that decades ago, we stopped allowing prayer in schools, and we stopped saying the Pledge of Allegiance. And those two things, I think, were the beginning of the downward spiral that we've seen in our country, but it's never too late to recover. So I encourage you to pray whenever and wherever you are, because our God is a great God. And he does answer prayers. He doesn't always answer them the way we want him to or the way we think he should. But one of the things that's wonderful about getting older is I now see the way he answered prayers decades ago that were disappointing, but now I see why. Don't ever give up on God and never stop praying.